Hello and welcome to AI for Developers. I'm Chaitanya talking bot. Today's lesson is titled Fine-Tuning LLMs, Making General ICE Expert in Your Domain. Imagine you have a super smart assistant who has read every book, every website, basically, the entire internet. That's a large language model, LLM, like ChatGPT. They're amazing at answering general questions, writing stories, or summarizing broad topics. But what if you need them to be an expert in your specific business? Your company's products, or your unique jargon? That's where we hit a wall. General knowledge is great, but sometimes you need a specialist. Think of a pre-trained LLM as an incredibly brilliant, well-rounded student who graduated at the top of their class from Internet University. They know a little about everything: history, science, coding, art, you name it. They can ace a general trivia game. For developers, this means you can use them out of the box for many tasks. But they lack the deep, nuanced understanding of a very specific field. Much like a generalist doctor might not be the best choice for a complex brain surgery. The problem is, even with all that knowledge, a general LLM doesn't know your specific domain. It doesn't know your company's internal policies, the unique features of your niche product, or the specific legal terms only used in your industry. It's like asking that brilliant general student to lead a highly specialized research project on quantum entanglement. They know physics, but not asterisk that specific branch in detail. For developers, this means generic answers that might not fit your specific application or customer needs. This is where fine-tuning comes in. Instead of training an AI from scratch, which is like building a whole new brain, hugely expensive and time-consuming, fine-tuning is like giving our super smart, generalist LLM a focused, hands-on internship specifically in your domain. You're not starting a new student. You're upgrading an existing, highly capable one. You're teaching it the specifics, the nuances, and the insider knowledge of your world. From a developer's perspective, fine-tuning means you provide the LLM with a relatively small but highly relevant dataset of examples. Think of it like this. You show the AI pairs of questions and their ideal answers that are specific to your domain. For example, what are the return policies for product X? And then your company's exact return policy. The LLM then learns from these examples, subtly adjusting its internal knowledge to better understand and respond within your specific context. You're guiding its existing brain to focus and specialize, rather than rewriting it entirely. As a developer, fine-tuning gives you incredible power to create truly custom and effective AI solutions. 1. Precision. Your AI will give highly accurate, domain-specific answers. 2. Efficiency. You leverage powerful existing models, saving immense development time and computational costs compared to training from scratch. 3. Innovation. Build specialized tools like customer support chatbots that actually understand your products, internal knowledge base assistants, or code generators tailored to your team's unique codebase and style. You're no longer limited to generic AI output. Imagine the possibilities. A bank could fine-tune an LLM to understand its complex financial products and compliance regulations, giving precise advice to customers. A medical startup could fine-tune an LLM on medical journals and patient records to assist doctors with diagnoses for specific conditions. As a developer, you could fine-tune an LLM to answer detailed questions about your software product based on its documentation, making your support system smarter and more personalized. The AI becomes a true expert, speaking the language of your domain. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, Make sure to subscribe to our channel and hit the like button.